To begin, cut in half 1 pint of grape tomatoes. Then cut 1 English cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Transfer all the vegetables into a large mixing bowl. We are also cutting into bite-sized pieces 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper. Slice about half a medium-sized red onion. Then dice 8 ounces of feta cheese. As you continue to slice and dice, add the ingredients to the mixing bowl. We are also slicing half a cup of Kalamata olives. They are also known as Greek olives. Now, to make the dressing in another mixing bowl, add half a cup of good quality olive oil, followed by 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar, the juice of 1 full lemon, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then whisk to combine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Pour the homemade dressing over the salad. Go ahead and toss your salad until all the ingredients are evenly incorporated. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, Greek salad. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.